So hey guys, good evening. This side Mayank, and we are trading live Nasdaq and gold. So let's see what we get today. It's 7:55 p.m. and we have like 5 minutes in market open, New York session open. So I have few markups like I what I want to see today. So I have some things in my mind. Let's see if we get those things. If price shows us though, like those that price action that I really want to see today, then we will participate into it, and rest we will see accordingly, like whatever the price action shows us we will see, and you know participate into it accordingly. So gold also looks good today. Even NQ looks good today. There was a good sell. Now the price is going trying to go higher, and I don't think so it will go a lot higher, but yes, we have marked this 50% zone. So I think price will come to this 50% zone, or or even more higher, and then give us some break of structures to the downside and then continue lower. So that's what I think, though we will have to wait for price to show us. Give me a second, guys. विशाल तुझे क्या लग रहा है ब्रो? हाँ बोथ. हाँ हाँ. So according to you it can be a sell on NQ, right? Okay. हाँ. ठीक है ठीक है. And what about gold? So sell for this zone, from this zone. Mm-hmm. Buys. हाँ हाँ हाँ. Keep going higher. Yes, that's what I think as well. क्योंकि daily order block is pending. Like the price came into that daily order block over here, and I am still hoping for it price to fill at least 50% of this daily order block. First one, second one, first one. Okay. Ha. Agreed. Agreed, bro. Hmm. 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 Hmm, hmm. 4260. अच्छा तो ते, तेरे में डिफरेंट आ रहा है क्या प्राइस एक्शन? अच्छा 4260 ये वाले लेवल पे. हाँ. ये वाले कैंडल ने ना, राइट अबव दिस जोन, राइट. कीप गोइंग हायर. यस. ओके. परफेक्ट परफेक्ट है ब्रो. So we have just 3 seconds. Market will open, and it has opened already. So let's see what we get today. As of now, MNQ is going lower. We shall keep watch on gold, bro. So we have like news at 8:30. So if we will participate in the market, then we will end our trade before 8:30. So gold is still going higher. What do you feel like about this, bro, over here? Hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And what about this move right now on NQ from here? For a buy on 50%. Let's try it. हाँ. नहीं हुआ. सो इसको अच्छा क्लोजर नहीं कहेंगे, नहीं पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए. अब अगर अनदर कैंडल इट क्लोजेज back above, then we can look for a buy. But as of now, if this candle closes down below, then definitely it's a sell from right over here, because it came into this zone, it created, it took out some liquidity. Like before market open जो भी liquidity यहाँ पे build किया था वो सब उसने बाहर किया. And if we get a closure, then the price may keep on falling. But if we get a move to the upside, then we will have to market execute the trade and price may keep on going higher. Because the 50% of this order block has already been filled. So I think like 50% of this candle can work, like wherever it closes. So this, yes, this right over here can be our entry. Let's see what it does over here. देख लेना एक बार, प्राइस देखता रहे यहाँ पे, ठीक है ना. एनक्यू ट्राई करना है. ओके, देन लेट्स क्रिएट अ लिमिट ऑर्डर, बट रिस्क बहुत हाई है. लेट्स नॉट पार्टिसिपेट ब्रो. Risk is very high, so we are not participating into it because one contract is costing us $88. So the risk that we are willing to do is somewhere around $50-60 maximum per trade. So I am not taking it. कुछ कह रहा था. Okay, so gold, let it play out first because I think it wants to keep on going higher. So if it gives us some bearish candle over here, then on the like the 50% of the previous candle हम उस पर ट्रेड कर सकते हैं. So let's say if we get a bearish candle closure, then इसके 50% पे हम ट्रेड ले सकते हैं. But as of now there is nothing. Even if I look for the 50% zone of this candle जो कि last up candle है, so the price came just over there. So the price just came over here, which I think it will keep on going higher only. Okay, so if we get a closure to the downside, I am willing to take a trade for a sell. Yes, we got a closure to the downside, guys. So I am willing to take a trade on the 50% zone over here for a sell. With one contract, it's $76. Let's minimize it. Okay, so I have created a limit order keeping my stop loss very near to this wick, and I am already in on it. So let's see if it plays out. Anything above $100, I am done for the day, guys. And one more break of structure will be equal to break even, or at least keeping my stop loss very near to my entry. So gold has taken out this high. Bro NQ देखता रहिए, ठीक है? If something changes, do let me know. What about 5 minute? Okay, so 5 minute needs to close bearish only. Then it will be very good trade. So if it continues to the downside only, then we will be able to stay in, or else it will take us out. Gold is falling aggressively now. Though the 5 minute has closed bullish, 15 minute obviously it failed as of now, but we have 8 minutes. Let's see. So if this candle closes bearish, I will be moving, like, not even bearish. After this candle closes, I will be moving my stop loss over here, just above this wick. So I have moved my stop loss a bit below, so just to minimize my risk. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा रिस्क कम किया है मैंने. So देखते हैं if it continues to the downside or not. Gold is still going lower. I will keep on moving my stop loss. So if we, after the closure of this candle, I will move my stop loss again. Over here. So I'm just trying to minimize my risk as much as possible. So I have moved my stop loss again, guys. Just making it as safe as possible. So if we get a break below this, I am moving my stop loss again over here. So my entry will be perfectly break even. Yes, moving it. So if we get out at break even, I will be okay. I will be fine. I will try another setup and we will be done for the day. So two setups a day. That's a maximum. That's the maximum number of trades that we are gonna trade live. So one setup we have already taken. Let's see how it plays out. So it took me out at break even. it can continue to the upside or to the downside. It can do whatever it wants to do. As of now, I am out of the trade, so secured only $8, $7.96, and the price, like the profit went up to more than $90, which is okay, no problem. On gold, price came to this 15-minute order block, 50% of this order block, and now going lower. So let's see if NQ continues dropping to the downside or not. If it does that and if it gives us another break, we will try again. विशाल ब्रेक देखियो ब्रो, अगर हो तो बताइए. So we have like 2 minutes in current 15-minute candle closure. So if this candle closes bearish, then gold can continue lower till these zones. क्या बोलते हैं, एक बाय ट्राई करना है फिर 5 मिनट के बेसिस पे? वेट करते हैं. NQ can continue lower from here. I want to give it a try. 50% is way higher. It will come or not, I don't know. It should be a market execution actually. करके देखे क्या मैं मार्केट एग्जीक्यूशन? 67, हाँ इनकी सेल में. ओके. परफेक्ट परफेक्ट परफेक्ट. So let's wait for it to break below this zone, right? If it breaks below this, then 50% of this zone I would like to try from here, keeping my stop loss here and take it lower below this zone. So टारगेट तो वैसे भी हमारे लिए वो है, नेग्लिजिबल है. लाइक आर रियल टारगेट इज जस्ट टू मेक एनीथिंग अबव $100. So price came to that imbalance, almost touched. Let's see. I think we should get in. क्या बोलता है विशाल? Okay. No problem. I understand totally, bro. I feel like it will drop crazily. पागल बना रहा है मेरा ये. देख, एक लिक्विडिटी स्वाइप हो गया प्रीवियस कैंडल का. इफ दिस कैंडल closes bearish or another candle closes bearish, then getting in would make sense, but abhi nahi. So over here we got this swipe. So अगर ये candle bearish है मतलब ये तो नहीं हुई बेरिश क्लोजर, बट अगर और कोई कैंडल अभी विद इन फ्यू मिनट्स इट क्लोजेस बिलो दिस एरो, देन वी कैन गिव इट अ ट्राई. MGC is just dropping. Over here also, if you see, volume is decreasing, and over here the price is gaining strength. ठीक है, मतलब ऊपर जा रहा है और वैसे वॉल्यूम घट रहा है, तो आई थिंक ये कभी भी गिर सकता है. 5 मिनट ऑल्सो भाई, आई फील लाइक ये गिरेगा. वट डू फील लाइक 5 मिनट पे तू क्या कह रहा है, क्या देखना चाह रहा है इसके ऊपर, इसके ऊपर. हाँ, सो इट कैन कंटिन्यू हायर. हाँ 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 हाँ, राइट राइट राइट, राइट राइट. ओके, सो विल कीप दैट इन माइंड. विल कीप दैट इन माइंड, एंड अभी हम कुछ एक्शन ले नहीं रहे हैं. एंड जो चीज़ तू बोल रहा है ना, वो भी होती हुई दिख रही है अब इट यहाँ पे. अगर तू देखेगा तो 1 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे दिस कैंडल हैज़ क्लोज्ड अबव दिस, एंड जो लो है वो ये है. सो इट कैन कंटिन्यू गोइंग हायर एक्चुअली. बट कोई नहीं, अभी हम कोई डिसीजन नहीं ले रहे हैं. लेट्स वेट फॉर इट टू, अगर ऊपर भी जाना चाहता है देन वी शुड वेट फॉर एटलीस्ट इट, यू नो, इट टू क्लोज अबव दिस एरो. और अगर नीचे जाना चाह रहा है तो नीचे वाली एरो, राइट. सो वेटिंग गेम, या इट्स अ वेटिंग गेम. एंड वी हैव न्यूज़ एज वेल लाइक इन 13 मिनट्स. सो जो फर्स्ट सेटअप था हमारा वो बहुत क्रेजी था, हमने क्लोज नहीं किया जस्ट बिकॉज हमारा टारगेट पूरा नहीं हुआ. सो इट्स ऑल गुड, एंड वी हैवेंट टेकन एनी ऑफ द लॉसेज. सो वी स्टिल कैन टेक 2 trades, बट आई विल सी, लाइक वी विल सी व्हाट वी गेट. सो एज ऑफ नाउ जस्ट वेट ही करते हैं फॉर आइदर न्यूज़ टू हैपन, और like, you know, if we can see something good, then even for getting in the trade we will have to keep in mind that we have news at 8:30. That is like, you know, just 11 minutes 20 seconds after 11 minutes 20 seconds. So कुछ भी हो सकता है at that time. And हमारे फंडेड अकाउंट्स पे वैसे भी इट्स नॉट अलाउड टू ट्रेड न्यूज़. सो अगर हम ट्रेड को लेते हैं तो बिफोर न्यूज़ वी विल हैव टू गेट आउट. Bro, feels like it will go down now. Crazy fun है भाई. हाँ, exactly. Let's wait it to close below the arrow or above the arrow. बहुत crazy fun है भाई. See, it's all about risk management ना. अभी हम चाहे पोजीशन बाय की देख रहे हैं, सेल की देख रहे हैं, हमारे इमोशंस चेंज हो रहे हैं, हमारे लाइक, यू नो, डिसीजंस चेंज हो रहे हैं, बिकॉज हम डिसीजंस ले नहीं रहे अभी, हम सिर्फ डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं कि व्हाट कैन हैपन. ठीक है, सॉरी. हाँ, सो इफ दिस कैंडल क्लोजेज बिलो द एरो देन वी कैन ट्राई, बट एज ऑफ नाउ नथिंग. सो जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर इट टू क्लोज बिलो, which we haven't get yet. There is no closure below the arrow. Gold is falling aggressively. I think gold में बाय बन सकता है आफ्टर न्यूज़, क्योंकि न्यूज़ के टाइम तक वो यहाँ आ जाएगा मेरे को लग रहा है. और एल्स इन एट द टाइम ऑफ न्यूज़, लाइक सी at exactly at 8:30 maybe, you know, it falls aggressively and then keeps on going higher aggressively, कि कुछ पोजीशन लिक्विडेशन भी हो जाए और अच्छी पोजीशन भी मिल जाए. हाँ, दिस वन ना, दिस वन. ओके. हाँ, दैट्स अ परफेक्ट लेवल, क्योंकि यहाँ से मिटिगेशन हुआ है पहले, उससे पहले ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर हुआ है, सो इट कैन कंटिन्यू. बट दिस जोन इज ऑल्सो वैलिड. वाई? बिकॉज इस हाई को तोड़ा था इस हाई ने, राइट? सो first zone to react from is this only. So maybe we have imbalance also over here. So maybe from this imbalance price start reacting to the upside, or price can even go to the downside. So देखते हैं क्या होता है. So MNQ we didn't get that break. Gold is coming lower now. Gold should actually react from this zone. I think, like, a lot of volume is here, a lot of price action is here, a lot of things are happening over here. So आई थिंक यहाँ से कुछ होना चाहिए गोल्ड पे. कोई नहीं, देखते हैं अपन कि यहाँ से कुछ होता है नहीं होता है. आई एम जस्ट मार्किंग अप, आई एम जस्ट प्लेइंग अराउंड. NQ wants to go higher again. कुछ वो अलर्ट्स लगा दे क्या गोल्ड पे? सो गोल्ड केम टू दैट जोन, वेरी नियर टू दैट जोन. एक काम करते हैं, यहाँ पे अलर्ट लगाते हैं बिलो दैट जोन, so that we will be aware about price coming in this zone if it comes. (15-minute and 30-minute both are respecting this area actually. This is the area, this is the trade, this is the trade now. I know this is the fucking trade. I knew it. ये होने वाला है. See, this candle closed below our arrow, or like right where our arrow is. Price went back, filled some, you know filled basically this order block, and then it continued to the downside. It's falling heavily now. Let's wait for the news to happen, and let's see what happened at the time of news. उसके बाद हम कुछ देख सकते हैं. Gold is in the zone. क्या ब्रो? ओके. 50% तो ऑलरेडी फिल्ड था, बट येस इट केम बिलो दिस विक, एंड आफ्टर दैट ये ब्रेक बहुत अच्छा है यार, है ना? व्हाट यू से अबाउट दिस वन? 50% ऑफ इट ले लें. न्यूज़ का कोई नहीं, वन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ओनली. सो एपेक्स न्यूज़ लेने के लिए मना नहीं करता है. एपेक्स बोलता है कि अगर न्यूज़ पे तुम्हारे अकाउंट के साथ कुछ होता है तो वो तुम्हारी वो है. सब कुछ होता है. Price came to that London liquidity on gold, bro. 5 minute का order block है. 15 minute is yet to close. uh, it can continue higher. Even on NQ, price may not come to this zone, like to our entry, and it can continue going higher from where it is right now, and it can keep on trading higher only. So we have like 3 minutes 10 seconds. 5 minute also looks good. 5 minute looks very good actually over here. If it continues going higher and if we get a closure on another candle of 5 minutes above this high, then it will continue. अच्छा मैंने 50% ऑफ दैट जोन हटा दिया क्या? Gold is reacting from here, from the zone I was talking about. It came down, it took out some liquidity, it came into this zone and now trading higher, and it actually went a bit below London session liquidity, a bit below. So this right over here can also be a good buy. This with our stop loss over here. TP can be a bit higher, a very higher. This can be the trade, but let's see what happens. What about MNQ? MNQ is still there only. रखना है पेंडिंग ऑर्डर. 2 मिनट बचे न्यूज़ में, बस 1 मिनट 14 सेकंड. Okay. So keeping the pending order. So we don't know it will work or not. Like we know nothing, or I can say we don't know what we don't know. So just waiting for the price to show some, price action. So अभी न्यूज़ है within like 35 seconds. So maybe price continues going higher, it can continue going lower. Gold is coming over here. So gold पे I like this. गोल्ड पे लेना है क्या विशाल? Okay, so just checking my risk. $49 of risk. Okay, let it be. So this right over here is my setup. I am not taking it. So the market, oh sorry, the news just happened. Price went higher on NQ. I am deleting my limit order as of now cause the price went higher, and we will see what happens now. So on gold we missed our entry just by few ticks. You can see over here, right? Price came down, went higher, now again came down, filled the entry, and now it can go higher. I am not in, guys, just waiting around, watching it. So okay, we can keep it just for education purposes. So NQ on 5 minute, if you see, uh, the previous candle has closed bullish, and I told you if price closes above this zone, then it will continue going higher. It can, and that's what happened over here. On 1 minute time frame, this right over here, price reacted from this block, and then it's going higher. Gold is still in that zone. गोल्ड पे इस जोन से देखेंगे अगर कुछ होता है तो, है ना. NQ is going higher only. बट अभी भी मेरे को जो दिख रहा है वो वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज होता हुआ ही दिख रहा है, बट प्राइस इज स्टिल गोइंग हायर. आई स्टिल वांट टू सेल इट. मे बी फ्रॉम दिस 50% जोन का है, यही है ना. हाँ. सो मे बी फ्रॉम द 50% जोन इट स्टार्ट्स गिविंग अस सम गुड रिएक्शन टू द डाउन साइड, एंड देन वी कैन गेट इन. सो अ प्रॉपर ब्रेक अगर यहाँ पे मिलेगा तो हम एक सेल ज़रूर ट्राई करेंगे. गोल्ड में भी वॉल्यूम तो डिक्रीज ही हो रहा है. प्राइस केम अबव दैट 50% जोन. विशाल देखता रहिए ब्रो. Nothing on MNQ right now. So NQ, oh sorry, on gold, if we get a break above this, then after retracement, we can wait for another break like in this zone. If price retraces to this zone, and if we get any candle closure to the upside over here in this zone, then we can try a buy. NQ is still going higher only, like it's still in the 50% 60% zone. मेरी आवाज़ में थोड़ा वो शांति हुई ना, मतलब थोड़ा डिस्टरबेंस आ रहा था ना पीछे से शायद. नहीं. ओके. So we got, okay, we haven't got that break. It came to this zone and reacted right back to the downside. Let's wait. यहाँ से देखते हैं क्या रहता है प्राइस एक्शन. 50% जोन ये थी, ये मैं हटा रहा हूँ अभी के लिए, ये मैं हटा रहा हूँ मैं. So if something like this happens over here, we can give it a try. Price is still in this 1 minute order block. It haven't broken that, though price has closed above this arrow that we wanted to look for, but it's dicey, so we are just waiting. So right over here, if price gave us, you know, a break below this low, it will create a structure that I really like, and that's this structure. It came into this order block, gave us some good price action, and if it now closes below this low, then I will be participating into it for a sell. But if it continues going higher, then there is no participation to be done. ये जो 50% का 50 मिनट का ब्रेक हुआ है ना, ये बहुत क्रेजी ब्रेक है यार, बहुत वॉल्यूम है इस कैंडल में. So price came into this imbalance, now trying to go lower. So let's say if it closes lower, if, then I am keeping my stop loss over here and I am taking a sell. One limit order, $34, so I will be taking two. The closure has already been done. I have set my limit order with a small stop loss on two contracts. My risk is $68. I am in now. Let's see if it continues going lower or not, and I will keep on changing my stop losses accordingly. Like my stop losses नहीं, stop loss एक ही है. So on the previous trade, our profit went up to $90, and over here it went up to $40, but still it came back again to the entry. I want to move my stop loss above this, but I'm still waiting. So moving my stop loss now a bit below, or I can take it just at right break even, at break even. Okay, no, according to structure it should be over here, but I'm keeping it at break even now. So I'm at break even now, and 100 plus zone is over here, so I will be keeping my stop loss. Oh, okay. So I was unable to change my stop loss. No problem. We will wait at break even. If it takes us out, then takes us out. Very good. Very beautiful. So I want to move my stop loss at 100 plus, which we will be able to do only if price closes below or it continues below without even, closure. So haven't moved it yet cause it's not movable. The price is above the stop loss. So we need to wait for it to come below. It's very near to the zone actually. And I don't want to close it like manually the trade cause थोड़ा हो सकता है कम प्रॉफिट सिक्योर हो फिर बट कोई नहीं लेट्स वेट so I can confirm it right now the price is below oh it failed to got a confirmation it's playing around with us. So moving my stop loss a bit lower again. It took me out. So basically, we were above our profit zone, but we were unable to secure it just because the price came back again and again to the zone, but it never went below. Still, I was able to secure $21, which is okay. MGC is in the zone, and I told you, like, if it closes below this arrow, then I'm willing to take a sell. But as of now, I'm not in. So the nature saved us, God saved us. So let's see if price want to go lower or not. Gold went higher. विशाल कुछ सिक्योर किया वैसे? कुछ हुआ? नो. विशाल कहाँ है? यू वर ऑलरेडी डन मतलब? अच्छा. ओके. परफेक्ट है ब्रो, परफेक्ट है. So price again came into the imbalance. Hmm. Huh, after break of structure, and obviously it has taken out this high, so liquidity has been also taken out from here. ये अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. ठीक है, इसके नीचे मतलब. ओके. चलो देखते हैं. पेंडिंग ऑर्डर तो नहीं लगा रहे अभी फ़िलहाल क्योंकि काफ़ी दूर है. And Q now wants to go higher only. It came to this imbalance. Now it's going higher. Though we have like 1 minute 50 seconds to for this 3 minute candle to close, and if this fails then we can look for something. All right, all right, all right. I want to. I will wait another 1 minute. I will wait another 1 minute. Cause if this 3 minute candle failed to close above, which went really higher, then something like this can happen. So I'm just waiting for the candle to close lower, stay lower on 3 minute time frame, and then I will create a limit order and try to get in. Huh? It can. We don't know, but it will or not. I am in now. I will be moving my stop loss aggressively as I did earlier. So I have moved my stop loss again at break even. So I will be checking the $100 zone again and marking that, I will mark that with this line. Let's remove everything else from the screen. And this is the last trade, guys. If it takes us out at break even, I'm done for the day. I won't be participating anymore. So I am out and we are done for the day. I am not pushing myself anymore, not participating into the market again. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope that makes sense. Okay, then, see you. Bye bye. Take care.